What's up, guys? Ay, you langaw you. You make it langaw. So you better bath because got langaw here. So di na siya makuan, guys. Di na siya mahadlok for today's video, kay kuan manggod gutom kay siya. Wala siya pamahaw, wala siya paniudto. Kuan na ni siya, guys. Panihapon na ni siya. Diretso na ni siya tarang. Kaya nakalimtan akong kataga ganina. Yes! Why you stop? It's just like I'm talking on it and you want to stop for your reading, for your what? You think I do you Ano kayo na siya, guys? It's so gahi here. And it's so sharp here. Matusok tayo nito, guys. Mapatay tayo nito, guys. Ay, sorry. Hi, Shrine. Annyeong.